Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Jamaica Police Federation take the government latest wage offer. All of the member them vote for take the offer. Dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta, they at the Kingston Public Hospital offer claim make, say him did a fight with one warder at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center yesterday. Some detective from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation branch CTOC lock up one policeman for latter scamming. Ed Barnes, who was upon the committee for the Gibson Makuk relays, said everything set for the relay go on at the National Stadium on Saturday, February 26. Now for the full tour of them. The Jamaica Police Federation take the government latest wage offer. All of them members them vote for take the offer. The Federation did vote 2 times before this and turned down the government 4% wage offer because them said the government did a diss them. Under the latest wage offer, constables who are the lowest rank officer in the police force are going to take home at least $210,000 a month time and most of the money now go get taxed. The Police Federation said them no feel said the deal good, but right now them are going to take it and work with it. Dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta, they are the Kingston Public Hospital now after claim makes say him did a fight with one warder at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center yesterday. Some report as said Tommy Lee flinging breakfast pan the warder after the warder tell him more than one time for going back in himself. The Department for Correctional Services DCS said Tommy Lee and the warder get hurt. Them did carry Tommy Lee go at the one doctor place at the prison, then them move him go hospital. Tommy Lee did get sentenced last year to 3 years in a prison for have gun where him not have no license for and 2 years for have bullet where him not have no license for. Some detective from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigations branch CTOC lock up one policeman for latter scamming. The policeman work at one station in a St. James. The policeman name no get put out yet. Car lit down one picnic on the Lilliput Main Road in a St. James yesterday morning. Him a 12 years old Jeff Fitzgerald and him go to Spot Valley High School and live in a Lilliput. According to the police report, Fitzgerald did upon him way go school when one Nissan AD wagon were run as taxi lick him down. Them say him did a try cross the road when him get lit down. The car lick him and him drop 7 feet from where him did get lit. The police are look for one man for stab and kill one nether man in a St. Mary's Sunday. The dead man, a 24 years old Jervis Francis, who was one loan officer who come from Hyatt Hill in a Gale. According to the police report, little before 9 p.m. one fight start between the man who stabbed Francis and 2 of him family member. Francis and him other family member them go back at the man also and another fight start. The man used one knife and stabbed Francis in his neck. The man run away and Francis dead at the Port Maria Hospital. Now for sports. Ed Barnes, who upon the committee for the Gibson Makuk relays, said everything set for the relay go on at the National Stadium on Saturday, February 26. The relay I go keep for the 45th time and it never keep last year because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The event I go have all of the local high school them and run against them one another. Barnes said people must come out, come watch cause them are going to enjoy themselves. People, remember the curfew from 11 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.